Useful tips and tricks to quit snoring. You can be born with a congenital deformity of your uvula. Maybe you're overweight, that can do it too. Whatever the reason for your snoring, I'm sure it's causing you difficulty sleeping. There are treatments available, so read on to find out more about how you can put an end to your broken sleep forever. If you regularly use cigarettes and other tobacco products, you probably also snore. The ingredients in these products dries out the mucosal membranes in your nose, mouth and airway, which leads to difficulty breathing and loud snoring. If at all possible, do not smoke cigarettes within 5 hours of your bedtime, as the smoke will cause your airway to become inflamed. Stick to a regular bedtime, and practice good sleep habits in general to reduce the incidence of snoring. If you go to bed overtired, sleep erratic hours, or have other bad sleep habits, you may sleep very deeply, which relaxes the muscles in the back of your throat more than usual. This can contribute to snoring. If you snore, sew a tennis ball on the back side of your shirt. The reason for this is that it will prevent you from sleeping on your back, which is the main position that a person snores in. If you do not have a tennis ball, you could use a baseball. If you lose weight, you may find that you will stop snoring. This is because people who are overweight may have an accumulation of fat in the throat area that causes a narrowing of the air passageways. This, in turn, can lead to snoring. Losing weight can allow the airways to open up normally, so that snoring is minimized or eliminated. From quitting coffee to getting surgery, the methods for treating snoring are varied in both simplicity and cost. Whatever you choose to try after watching this video, I hope that it is effective. If not, try something else. The more you try, the more likely it is that you'll find a cure. Would you like to learn this easy throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.